Hello.
Hello, what is up?
Nothing much. How's your day going?
Not bad. Alrighty. So Zephania wants to deploy the app online. Yeah, you can go ahead and share your screen.
All right. Let me just get over here. So he wanted us to deploy the apps for 1 second. I exited out of the website. I'm sorry, my computer is being really slow and acting really weird.
Mm, No problem.
Why is this not signed in? Okay. All right, so he was talking about these. Sorry, he texted me. I wasn't sure which file he wants us to start on first, or which what he wants us to start on first.
Mm-hmm.
And he also said that he wanted you to teach me how to make backup databases.
for sure.
And yeah. Sorry, I'm not sure exactly where I need to be at the moment.
Did he give you the project that he wanted to deploy? What?
Yeah, he just sent me a bunch of files. He sent me a bunch of files which I have already downloaded and unzipped. I'm just not sure
Mm-hmm.
which one he wants us to start on, what he wants us to do exactly. Like we
Just
have,
show me the files and then we can
yeah.
look at it.
So here they are. I don't know why that one's still zipped, but
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
So the main website is the Nehru Lending. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so let's start with that.
All right. I'm so sorry. My computer is just like really weird. Like after downloading all of these files, she's just been super slow.
Mm-hmm. And these are pretty heavy files.
Yeah, I'm just gonna. I'm really not sure why it's not opening.
Try the other one, the Nehru Lending main,
Which one?
the file above it, the folder.
Mm-hmm. All right.
Mhm.
like mildew, and I said, you need to move. It said, talk to the move, my credit does. I said, you can't live like that. You mess around, get sick, your family gets sick. You know, then what? Sit there like that. So I told her contact the health office today. All right. To get them to fix that problem because it's a huge problem for somebody above them. And so
Yeah, we can make sure to help her out, and it should be good to go.
Okay.
So he said that the file is uploaded.
Yeah, so the files are uploaded and they're all unzipped already, and I
Uh-huh.
just
No, the website is also uploaded on the Heroku servers. Maybe if you can show me, I can
let
just
me get the
quickly fix that.
Heroku on.
Hey, Zephania, how are you?
He's on a call right now, I believe.
Oh, okay. Okay, let me control your screen.
Hmm?
Let me control your screen.
All right, gotcha.
So deploy.
Oh, sorry, I was on the call. Hey, so what's the issue? What's going on?
It was just my computer. She was just acting really
Can you
slow
guys hear
after
me?
downloading the
Hello?
Yes,
files.
yes, I can hear you.
Oh wait, yeah, you
How
can
are
hear
you?
me. Yes,
Yeah,
I'm
Yeah,
good. How are you, Nasir?
I'm good. Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm
So
just
what's
checking
happened?
to. Yeah,
it was
I'm
just,
just checking it.
yeah, my computer was just acting really slow because it was a lot of files. She was still getting over that.
Are you referring to your
It is
computer as
work.
a she?
Yes, I am.
Like, wait, what are you talking? Like, okay. So are you guys okay, so
So
so let me explain it. So basically,
mm-hmm,
we don't want this app. This is just one we just had up really fast, but this was like our old code. So we
Mm-hmm.
like
mm-hmm.
did a few updates. So the one I sent Adeline is the newer one. Only thing is
Okay.
that we were having like pipeline issues, but I think it won't be an issue because like you guys will set up to get connected. But we were having an issue where it wasn't saving like after 24 hours it would delete all the information basically. So I think that's just kind of like a
Database is not set up.
database.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
All right.
Yeah, so yeah,
You
did
need
you
to
guys
show
did
me the code for that one real quick,
What?
Adeline. The
Which
code for
code?
the newer app, the
For the
newer
newer app?
neural
Oh,
lending app.
it would have to be, it's in documents. I don't know why I picked that one. You meant the Chrome extension, right?
no, oh god.
Or the normal one?
The one that you have the one that says 7.5 to neural lending main dash main.
I
Which one's
didn't,
the newest
which
one
one?
that you have?
These are all of the files that you just sent me.
Okay, go to the neural lending main dash main and then um yeah, and then well we can go to the templates file because I can see if it's the Oh wait, can you open in Visual Studio? Because that's what he meant, kind
Yeah,
of.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, I
Okay,
can't
cool. You already
see.
have it open. Okay.
Ah, it's not letting me. Okay. You
Okay,
wanted
can you go
templates?
to Get Dinero today? That app.
Mm-hmm. Let's try to find it. Where is it?
Oh, it's like by the G's. I think it's you see
Let me control it.
Oh.
This one.
Mm-hmm.
yeah, and then let's go to templates.
Templates.
And then let's go to let's go to templates, and then let's go to not landing pages, layouts, please. And
Mm-hmm.
okay, base layout. Okay, let's go to components. And then let's go to top bar. Okay, and then let's go down a little bit. You don't mind?
Mm-hmm.
'Cause I'm trying to see if this is the one or the other one. Okay, you can keep going down. Going down. Okay. You can keep going down, down. Okay. Wait, let me just open it on my computer, the one that you have.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, wait 1 second. Edit code. Okay, give me a second. I'm opening in Visual Studio.
I forgot to set up the free cam. Let me do that while you get your screen to your computer together.
Oh yeah, and always make sure like because this is like IP. So
Mm-hmm.
basically, just make sure that like you always do it because like
Yeah.
we have to pay for Nasir's time and Nasir's really valuable. So
Yeah.
we have to make sure that we record what he's saying. But yeah, good job for remembering. Okay, so let me see. Okay.
Oh.
Oh, did something happen? Or
It was telling me that it was already running. It was not running.
You don't have to record it separately. It's already being recorded. You can watch the recording and the Fiverr chat and
Oh, you
download
have
it
it
from
on.
there as well.
You're recording it yourself already?
Yeah, the Fiverr is recording. So
Okay,
you
okay.
can see the recording in the Fiverr chat.
Okay.
You can so it's going to be there for 30 days. So if you want, you can download it and save it in your
well,
Google Drive
Adeline,
or
just do
whatever.
both. Just do both, just in case, because like obviously I think obviously we know Fiverr is a huge company, but like just do both, just like so we have it on our end as well, just in
Mm-hmm.
case like something got lost or something, or your account for some reason got shut down.
Gotcha.
But yeah, fiber is usually pretty reliable. Jesus Christ. Okay, wait 1 second. Okay, I'm gonna send. Okay, yeah. Okay, so the main dash main. Well, let me just extract it. Should be there. Okay, so this should be the updated code. Okay, so now let me go back to your screen. Okay, yeah, that's it. Okay, so that's the updated code. And error lending main dash main dash main. So you guys can kind of work from there.
Okay.
Adeline, is your computer okay? Because I mean, I can have it where you can use mine, I guess, or we can do it that way, or I don't know. Or is it gonna be slow, or should be fine?
I think it should be fine. I just it was just because it was still getting over the files like being uploaded and all of that.
Okay, let me do this too. Nasser, let me send you all the files as well too, in case her computer's super slow. Like, obviously
Mhm.
it's recording and everything, so you can just like do it and then kind of explain it while you know, you don't have to like fully
For sure.
slow down for, you know, she can kind of see how you're doing it and you can kind of explain it after or whatever. So if it gets slow or whatever, we can do it like
Yeah,
that. So I'll
send me
just
the
make sure.
files. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, I'll send you the files now. But hopefully it doesn't. Hopefully she's fine right now. But like if it
Mm-hmm.
does slow down, I'll send you the files. So
For sure.
okay, cool. So I'll put that
Okay.
in the chat. All right, thanks guys.
All right.
All right.
So the main dash main is the file, right?
Yeah,
Folder.
that's the right one. Yeah, that's the right one. But you can
Okay.
get rid of the other app as well too. So the one that's in Heroku currently, you can get rid of. We didn't even set up a
Mm-hmm.
staging environment or anything like that for that. So,
All right.
you know, and then kind of explain to her the staging versus the real one and then how to like upload to both. I mean, well, you could just obviously you could just push the staging, but yeah, so just
Mm-hmm.
kind of explain that to her a little
For
bit as
sure.
well.
All right.
All right.
Let me
Thanks,
check
Nasir.
why. See you. Bye bye. Let me remember which was the main app. Let this one.
Mhm.
Yeah, db.sqlite 3. So this is the database that it's being used by default, but we don't want that. We want to use Heroku database. And how much space do you have in your computer? Because I think it will run out of memory or something.
Maybe they just made me download like all of those files and it was like a lot of it was a lot.
Mhm.
I might just have to not.
Sven, you can download the recording from Fiverr and just send that to
Mhm.
him for a backup.
Okay.
But make sure to download it because the recordings will get deleted in 30 days.
Okay.
Alrighty. So in here we have settings folder.
Mhm.
So what's your background with Python development? So I can,
I
talk to you
literally
according to
just
that.
started. Um,
Mhm.
I just started. I'm learning like a lot. I'm just not, you know, I'm familiar with it a little bit. It's just I'm still getting used to it.
Okay. Uh-huh. AWS S3 custom domain handlers, blah blah blah. Middleware templates, settings, database.
Mhm. So yeah, he did say that he wanted backup databases for the things
Mhm.
because just in case we get like hacked or if anything goes down, like he just
Yep. Um, as far as I remember, one of the guy did how to settings reveal config variable. Yeah. Mm, Django set default database default set and settings and config Yep, this is what we need. So basically, I had a team member and he did this. So previously, you would have to go here
mm-hmm.
because there are two settings files. It's one is called development.py and the other one is called production.py.
Okay.
And right now, the problem is that when you deploy it, it uses the development settings file. That's
Mm,
why it doesn't create the database for the using PostgreSQL.
mm-hmm.
So in here, if you can see os.environment set default Django settings module. So if that is there, either get that value, otherwise get this value. So by default, it is getting this get settings or development, right? And
Mm-hmm.
hats off to my memory because this was an year ago. Okay. Control V Django settings module, and
Mm-hmm.
we need to give it the production value. Control C and Control V. But we don't want the development, we want the production file,
Mm-hmm.
which is if you can copy the production dot yeah, just type it out production like correctly, because if I type it's very slow.
All right, so you want the production over here? Or
Yes, instead of development at the end, the production like this. Just copy the production, the
the whole
file
thing?
name. No, just the name production.
The name? Okay. I think that's copying the whole file.
Try to rename it, and from there you
Hmm?
can copy it. Yeah, just to
All right, and then where do you want it to go?
and then go to Heroku. Now just let me do it. And in here you can change the development to production. Okay, so now it will automatically look for this file to run as a settings file.
All right.
All right. Now, what do we want is basically check the productions file to check if there are any other things that we are missing. So we need a Stripe publishable key and Stripe secret key. Yeah. No. So let me ask him. Okay, because you see, in here we are getting from the environment, just getting the Stripe secret key and publishable key. So we need that as well. And yeah, it should be good. Let's go through the other settings file so that we can be sure. So the file static file storage that's good. Okay.
Mm.
So what static files is that all the HTML, CSS, JavaScript files that you see are considered as static files. So mainly what people do to host static files, they get AWS S3 to host the static files. But for that, yeah. So mm, mostly people use AWS S3, but for that you have to create account with AWS S3. You need to pay them and for those kind of things. But for our use case, Django is also capable of hosting static files with the help of white noise. So in here we are saying that static file storage should be the white noise compressed manifest static file storage. That is a third party package that you need to install separately.
Okay.
All right. So it's already configured here. That's good. And default file storage is, I mean, mm, AWS S3. Let me see. Okay. Your old AWS S3. So although we are using, the white noise, but still we need to store images, and for that he's using AWS S3. So yeah, it looks like he created a new AWS S3.
Mm.
So yeah. In the meantime, he's giving me access codes. What I
Mhm.
want you to do is, like you see, in here we are import OS, and we are
Mhm.
doing like OS, not like
Mhm.
this basically. Like this. Do os.environ.get, all right,
Mhm.
and do it like this. So for example, for this AWS access key ID, do os.environ.get and this name, all right. Do this, do this for this one, this one, all right.
All right. So let me just make sure that I understand. So you want me to where was it? Where was it?
in the production.py.
In the production? I'm sorry. All right. So you want me to make it like the OS environment over environ.get. Do you want me to like set it up over here? Like the secret key, it would be like the AWS thingy? Or do you want it to do the other way around
So
where it's like this is
basically, I want that right now it's hard-coded value, right? But I want
okay.
it to be dynamic so I can change it from Heroku. So for this, you can do this like this. So os dot environ dot get whatever this thing
And then
is. Okay, do this for this and this.
okay. Okay. All right. Is that it?
Yep.
Or okay.
Yeah. So now what this allows us to do is so that we can easily come to Heroku,
Mm-hmm.
right? Let's open up and change the values here like this. The Django settings module, we can change it here, right? And yeah. So yep. Yeah. So I will just add those keys here as well, like the variables that you added there, just add them as keys here so
Mm-hmm.
we know that we need to get these values from AWS.
All right. Wait, so okay.
One by one.
One by one.
Leave the value empty for now.
Oh, leave the value empty. Okay. This- Ooh. All right. Oh, and he sent in the login.
Yeah, log in with AWS.
Sorry, I can't see. Oh. Okay.
Why the other one?
I already did. It's been disabled.
Hmm.
Or, oh wait.
I hate
Can I
the square
see? Am I
captures.
blind? Huh?
2, 3, 5, 6, and S. Yeah.
All right, before we go on, I've gotta log in with Stripe because we need a
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
verification code for that too.
Mm-hmm.
So hello.
Yep. Where is capture?
Yeah, it's just not. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Let's see if I know what a fire hydrant looks like.
Six one nine.
All right.
All right, let's get those access keys and publish keys.
Give me a second because this is just probably delete. Okay. You were saying about
Let's get done with Stripe. So let's get those keys from it first, because that's
okay.
easy.
So you want to get the strikes done and then so
Go to Stripe.
okay. Mm-hmm.
Maybe go to developers.
Mm.
API keys. Copy publishable key
Mm-hmm.
and go to Heroku. And replace it with Stripe publishable key.
Oh. Oh, this one?
Yes. And do the same for secret key.
I think that's the one that I got, but I'm not sure. And do the same with the secret key? How do I get access to the secret key? Or is it just the same? It's
I
not the
think you
same,
need to
right?
create a secret key. Create secret key.
Okay, let me move you because I can't see. key name, just secret key. I think I have to update the other one as well. Just give me 1 second. I don't think the other one updated either.
Before you lose the
Huh?
secret key, send it to him on chat
Okay.
because you don't get it.
I think we lost it.
Do you have keyboard history? Clipboard history?
I could look at it through here. I think if I
Yeah,
just edit it.
that. Yeah, just copy this and send it to him on chat.
All right. And we need to get the AWS ones as well, right? Or no?
Okay.
Okay, so we have that. Now we have to create the AWS S3. Okay. Go to AWS S3.
I'm so sorry about my computer. We're struggling today.
S3.
All right. So AWS history.
Yes, S3.
S-
Search for S3 in the search.
I'm sorry. I've never actually been on AWS, so I'm like a little bit
Yeah.
behind. Would that be like over here or
Let me just control it.
yeah?
S3.
Are you trying to type? Is it not working?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
laggy.
Gotcha.
Oh, now it worked. Okay, S3. So AWS S3 is basically a file storage. So you can it's a server that's just going to host our files.
Gotcha.
By files, I mean the pictures that you upload on the website and those kind of things.
Eva. La toma la marinita como fue. Si tú tienes tiempo, que no sale mucho.
Sorry about that.
Yeah, create bucket.
Your bucket.
Give it a bucket name.
Hmm?
Give it a name.
A name? Just any name or just what?
Yes, any name. Like
Any name?
Nehru Landing.
Alright. Just gonna do that then.
Okay,
I think
so in the AWS region,
Mm-hmm.
go to VS Code and check which region was selected before.
Okay.
And the
Where
region
was the okay,
US
okay.
East 1. So yeah, try to find this region.
Mm-hmm. US East one, okay. Gotcha.
Okay. Right,
And
scroll down. Not sure if we need to uncheck block all public access.
what? Uncheck it?
Yeah. I acknowledge.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Scroll down. All right.
Is that it? Just create the bucket, or
Yep.
do we need anything over here? Okay.
All right. Create bucket.
Oh. Oh. For what is this? This is for dinero, right? Or is this
It's Nehru Landing. So
because it's already named, so
no. Okay. Create the bucket. Okay, so we have created this, and on AWS, what you actually need to do is after you create this, you
Mhm.
cannot still access it. You need to create a user that can access it. Okay. So what you need to do is create a IAM group. Okay. And how do you do that is if you click here, I guess,
Mhm.
and
Dashboards.
search for IAM group in the search.
Um.
Yes, manage
The
access
feature.
to
The what?
groups. Yeah, groups.
Groups. Gotcha. All right.
Okay, create a group.
Create a group.
Yeah, give it name like AWS S3 full access or something. Mhm.
Isn't it lovely? All right.
Alrighty. Scroll down. What did you do?
Well, I don't know what it did. I
Uh,
think,
click on it. Can we edit it?
uh-huh.
Yep. Scroll
Edit.
down.
Oh,
Mm,
I think that's the
scroll down.
bottom. I think
Go
this is
click
the
on
bottom.
permissions. And
Yeah.
in here,
Oh,
click on
wait,
add permission.
sorry. Add permissions?
Yeah.
Okay. Attach policies or create inline policy.
Attach policies.
Attach policies.
And search for AWS S3 full access.
The cloud one or just because there's none
Type
with the
S3.
okay.
Full access. Mm,
Hmm.
do S3. What does pop up? Just type S3.
This S3.
Yes. Search. Yeah,
Okay.
Amazon S3 full access. Check market. No, don't go inside of it. Go
Mhm.
back.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, search for it again. Hit enter.
What? Oh my god. And
Check
just
market.
stock market. All right.
Yeah, add permissions. Click on add permissions.
All right.
Right, you did that. Now we need
Uh-huh.
to create a user. So click on users in the right nav bar.
Right. Oh,
Sorry,
you mean
left.
left?
Yeah. I always get confused with left, right.
No, me too.
Create
I
user.
still use the L's.
Click on
I'll be
create
driving.
user.
I'll just be like, wait. The username. Just
And just
any-
give it anything. Give it your name.
that. Provide user access to the AWS management console. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
I want to create an IAM user. Or...
Yes. I want to create an image.
Gotcha.
Just uncheck this. The provide users access to the console thing. Scroll up.
Hmm?
Just uncheck it.
Uncheck it. Okay.
Yeah.
And then
Next.
Sorry, I clicked it. It's just, you know how my
Yeah.
computer is today.
No problem. I think if you plug it in, it will run much faster because it's Windows.
I was plugged in for like that whole first hour, and it's still nothing. Anything else? What was it? The copy permissions or
Check mark
check it?
the group name. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So it will add this user to that group that we created, which had access to the S3 full access. Now next.
And any tags or no?
No.
This is optional. Okay, just create.
Yep. Now if you click inside of it,
Mm-hmm.
go to security credentials.
Gotcha.
And you should see the access key and the other key, the private one. Just copy that and paste it in the Heroku.
Well, we have to create one, right?
Yes.
Okay. Which type?
Local code.
Local code? Okay.
Or you can use this XSD. Wait. You plan to use this access keys to enable application running on AWS compute? No, that way you can create AWS. You can use this access and code in a local environment to access you. No, we don't need local code. We
Okay.
need the third-party service.
Third party? Okay. Gotcha.
The back end user template code
Still-
and instead of creating another backend. You didn't check mark, right? Click on application running outside AWS.
But what?
Instead of third-party service, check
Uh-huh.
the second last application running outside AWS.
So
Application running outside AWS, the second last. I can now create it.
okay. That's optional.
Access key, copy that and paste that in Neru Lending.
Hello? I am so sorry for the dog barking in the back.
No problem.
The Zoom stuff is getting in the way. Let me send that to them. And the name of the bucket. Sorry. And then the name of the bucket was Neru Lending Dinero, right?
Sorry, what?
Yeah.
Yeah, give it the name of that we created in AWS
Okay.
S3. Make sure just copy it, because if you make a
Mhm.
spelling mistake, that would be hard to, figure it out.
Yeah, I'm just trying to find it. I couldn't find it earlier.
Go to, Nehru Lending, search for
Mhm.
S3 again in the search. This is not the name.
Yeah. I'm trying to. I clicked it to copy and it didn't copy. So. Okay, there we go. And then anything else? What was it?
Yeah, it should be good now.
It should be good now.
Yeah, go to the VS Code again.
Go to what?
VS
Oh,
Code. Okay, let's see other things if it's missing something. Get in error today. Okay. Yeah. Let's upload it to Hero GitHub. So create a new GitHub account for it on GitHub.
okay. Oh,
Yeah, you do it.
whoops. You can just that one. I'm not sure if mine's open right now. Yeah, mine's open. Would you like me to log out or just make a new one or just use mine?
Defania did create a Nehru lending team thing, right? Did he give access
Yeah.
to you? Go to
Give me a second.
github.com/Nehru lending team.
Okay.
Okay, now go to repositories. Yeah, click on new repository
Gotcha.
and just say new Nehru lending team. Okay,
Private
it
or
should be
public?
private.
Private? Okay.
And add a, no, don't add it, or just create repository. All right, you have Git installed, right?
Onto my laptop? No.
You don't install it quickly.
Yeah. Hello?
Is it installed?
It just stopped downloading, so I think so.
I'm not sure if this is the way to install GitHub. Check open terminal.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, you need to download GitHub through other way. Let's first check authorize desktop. Did you click on authorize?
Yeah. Did I think my computer's just being so odd lately. I'm just like I click the thing and then it just doesn't actually work. Let's see. Actually no. Alright.
All right. I'm not sure if this is the right way to. I mean, this is GitHub desktop, but we really want Git and GitHub are two different things. To just make
Okay.
sure, open terminal.
Over on VS or
Yeah, VS Code
okay.
is fine as well. Do Control J or in your terminal. Type Git and hit enter.
One second. What'd you want me to type again?
Git, Git. Hit enter. It's not installed. Search for Git Windows, not GitHub.
Okay.
So Git is the main technology, and GitHub is like built on top of
Oh,
Git.
okay.
No, in Google.
On Google? Okay.
Yeah. Git, not GitHub.
Yeah,
Git
I know. It
download.
just it automatically like
Yeah.
refilled.
Mhm.
This one,
Yeah,
I'm guessing.
download for Windows. Yeah.
The standalone installer or
Yeah, the standalone installer. Download 64-bit, I guess.
oh,
Yeah.
64. Oh my God. Launch
Yeah,
JIT bash or no?
just finish.
Finish? Okay, cool.
Now go to VS Code again. Create a new terminal.
Oh,
Type git.
it's still not working.
Close VS Code.
So
Yeah,
just do it
open
on
it again.
okay. Whoa. There we go.
All right. Now let me control it.
Yeah, you have access. You should be able
Yeah.
to. Yeah.
Yeah, we don't have a git file, so do git add space. Sorry, git init. Git space init.
Init.
init. Yes. Hit enter. Just
Wait,
git
what was
init.
it? Git init? Okay.
So this will create a git repository. Now you need to do git remote add origin. Add.
Which one's the? Is it
Not
just?
sure how do we spell it. Go to Chrome again, where we created that repository.
Uh-huh.
You should find that there. GitHub.
Give me a second. Okay.
No, where we created the new repository. Do you have that page open?
Yeah, I'm trying to get back to it, but it's apparently not there. So
Okay, so just refresh this page, I guess.
should be in recent activity.
Yeah. Go to github.com/neverending team and then yeah, the last link. Go to
Yeah,
repositories
it's over here.
and new never-ending team.
Okay.
Yeah. Git remote add origin, the second last line.
Okay.
Or actually the last 3 lines.
The
Just
last 3
copy them.
lines.
Yeah. Oh no, go back to Chrome.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, let me see.
Should I just do one by
Yeah,
one?
the second one. Yeah,
The
the
second to
second
last one?
section. The second section
Oh, section.
for push and
Okay.
existing. Yeah, just do these commands one by one.
All at once or one
One by
after
one.
another? One by one.
One
Okay.
by one.
Just making sure. It's like,
Mhm.
I don't think it will work, but you know better.
Yep, sure. Uh,
Did it do the thing?
Yes, it's so done.
Okay. Hmm.
Do git push dash u origin main. After
Mhm.
after main, do dash dash force.
Okay. Dash dash force.
Force. Yes. Huh. Do git add space dot.
So sorry.
Give a space.
Huh?
A space between git and add
Okay.
dot a period. Yeah.
Dot what? Dot just period.
Just dot. Yeah. No, give a space between add and dot.
Okay.
So this will add, the dot means adding all the files inside of it.
Okay.
Oh no, shit. Do control C. Quickly. Okay.
Done.
So we need to add a dot get ignore file, because if we don't, it will take all the files that are inside of venv as well, and we don't want that.
Okay.
So go to basically, yeah, right click here,
Mhm.
new file. Oh, we have a dot get ignore file. venv. You don't have venv file in here, right?
I
No,
don't
you
think so.
don't.
I haven't seen one.
Then it's fine. Just let it do its thing. Do git add space dot again.
Should I control C?
No.
No? Okay.
There's a lot of files.
Hmm. Yeah, I think it was like 10,000 or something. Okay. It's done.
Okay, it's done.
Yeah.
Okay, now do git commit, git space commit,
Mm-hmm.
space dash m,
Mm-hmm. Is that it?
space,
Uh-huh.
space, open quotation marks, or a string, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, just add a message in here like first commit or something.
First, what?
Just write anything, first commit, yeah, and close the string. Yeah, hit enter.
Okay.
Do git push origin main.
All together or with
No,
spaces?
separately.
Order main,
Origin main.
origin main.
Yeah, sign in.
It's loading. I have to wait until. Okay, there we go.
All right, now it's done. Let's go to Heroku.
Okay.
All right, and let me control it. And now in here, let's go to deploy. And right now, we can create a pipeline.
Mm-hmm.
So what pipeline is basically, if we deploy Heroku website right now, it will be always live on the main website, like the main URL. But if we create a pipeline, it will first ask you to check if the changes are good. So it will give you like a temporary URL address so that you can check your changes. And once that is done, you can then push it to production. Okay.
Okay.
Nehru landing. Production. Nehru landing team. Okay, create a pipeline. Okay. Open app. No, not open app. Click on this. And now inside of here, let's go to deploy. So make sure when you're deploying that you have your Heroku Postgres here. Okay. And then make sure that the command is correct as well. And so with this command, you run basically with Gunicon is the web server. When you are developing locally, you use python manage.py run server, right? So that's a built-in Django server, which is only meant for development. It cannot handle a lot of stress and a lot of requests. So when you are deploying it professionally, you use Gunicon or Gunicon, whatever you want to call it. Okay,
Gotcha.
deploy. Let's GitHub is connected. We will disconnect it from this app, disconnect it, and did it got disconnect? Yes. No, we don't want to disconnect it from the repository. Manual deploy, yes. So it was called new narrow landing, right?
Yeah.
New narrow landing.
Oh, you're missing the D.
It should pop up. I think we disconnected it. Yeah. Search for a narrow landing team. Okay, and now we can search for new search new
Yes.
narrow landing team connect. Admin access to repository required. What? Should be good. Main. Deploy branch. Let's see if it is deploying. It is not deploying. Connect to connectivity is the disposition that authorization key is not right or the account used to connect to GitHub. Oh, yeah.
Oh,
We need to give this Alik Akbar access to that GitHub account.
okay.
Refresh. Yes, settings. Lab represent team. Add people. Sample Nasir 723. I'm an admin. That was the problem basically. Disconnect it. Has team access.
Mhm.
Admin access. And is admin access. Anik Akbar. How do we kick him out?
I actually
Uh,
don't know. I don't even know who that is.
uh, reauthorize, revoke access.
Mm.
Now we can come back. Narrow landing team. This one.
Mhm.
Deploy. GitHub. Connect to GitHub.
Mhm.
Connect. And authorize. Heroku.
It was denied.
Connect to GitHub.
Oh.
Oh yeah, it's done now. Narrow landing team. New. Connect.
Mhm.
Alrighty. Now we can just deploy the branch and fingers crossed everything works. Otherwise, we would
Oh.
have to spend many more hours. Manage.py. Yep. Okay. Let's see. View build log. No, we can watch it from here. Okay. So now what we need to do is run basic commands. So what we can do is come here and run console. So this will open up the terminal for this app. So we do bash and run it.
Okay.
So basic stuff like making migrations, migrating the database, creating the super user, and
Cool.
collecting the static files. Okay. Python manage.py make migrations. No changes detected. That's nice. Python manage.py migrate.
Mhm.
All right, nice.
Yay.
Python manage.py create super user
Mhm.
and admin, and you can speak the email address and admin 123 admin 123. Yeah,
Mhm.
okay. Python manage.py collect static So this will take all the static files and give it to whether it's AWS or white noise. Okay, 400 static files copied. That's good. Now we need to make sure that we are using the Heroku database, not the SQLite 3. So
Okay.
for that, we can open up this. And if we can see them. Okay, see, we have 860 rows, which means that we are using this database, not the SQLite 3, which is good. And in settings, there should be a way to create backups and data clips, yes. Data clips was really best with data because you may actually discover insights from data you have. No, not this. How do we back it up? Roll back, unsupported. Why? I guess that's a more premium feature.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So once you discuss with Zephania and you upgrade the database,
Mm-hmm.
okay, then you will be able to see an option here to enable backups. All right.
Okay.
And you can Google it, it's straightforward. All right.
Let me text him
Because
about it really
all
quickly
right.
so that I don't forget.
Let's open the app and yeah, it's working. /admin. Admin
Mm-hmm.
and admin 123. Settings. Domains. Yeah, you can add a domain here. Okay. Save. Oh, I'm copying from yours.
What?
Can send this URL in the chat.
Which URL? This one?
Yes.
The WhatsApp chat or our chat? Or whichever.
In the group chat. Yeah.
Okay.
Admin and then password. Admin.
It was the GitHub account that needs to be
No.
on the premium, or was it the? It was the
Let me just check. It's basically the GitHub, not the GitHub, the Heroku database plan. The Heroku database. The user database plan. And
How are you connecting the domain again?
Variable to variable. Mm-hmm. What is called Q
I think we do. He mentioned something about having GoDaddy.
Mm-hmm. Did he give you access?
No, not yet.
Okay.
He's recording.
Upgrading. It's not that easy. Mm-hmm. We need to upgrade to the standard plan.
To the standard.
Why did the other tab close? Heroku.com. Configure add-ons. And then in here, modify plan.
Mm.
It's not easy to upgrade. Create upgrade instruction. Yes.
Mm-hmm. Hmm.
You're able to create a Postgres query, but this command can only be used to create a follower database. Okay. You need to download Heroku CLI.
Let me move this really quickly if you need.
Let's do this. Can you send me the login information for Heroku?
For Heroku? Okay. Actually, I'm gonna send it on the login info is on. It's on the WhatsApp page. Let me reply to it.
Mhm.
One second. Okay. It should just be. Hmm. Okay. Okay, that's it.
All right.
Is it giving you a code? Oh,
Yeah.
it's giving you a code. Okay. You got that right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's hope it's not expired. Okay, it's done. Okay, now I can share my screen.
Mm-hmm. Do you want me to stop sharing?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Can you see the screen?
Mm-hmm.
Right, let the Heroku CLI install. So then you can continue. So basically the problem is that we cannot just like click a button and it will upgrade the database.
Mm-hmm.
We need to create a new database, copy the data from the old database to new database. Yeah.
Oh,
Actually,
wow.
we don't really have that much data. So I can just
Uh-huh.
delete this database, create a new one, and then just add it because we literally just created this database. So we can do Postgres. Yeah, Heroku Postgres. And then standard. Yeah,
Oh,
submit order form. That's because we don't have data in this database. But if we had data, then it would be the process that I just explained, that you need to create a new database, copy the data from old database to new database, and then destroy the previous one.
okay.
Okay. And it's provisioning.
Mm-hmm.
Fill provisioning. I think he gave you access to some kind of Heroku or GoDaddy service where it had all of those domains listed.
Oh, yeah, he gave me access to the business builder.
Okay, all right. Yeah, we can continue from your computer.
Okay. What was it? Okay, there we go.
Okay, search for the Nehru lending software.
All right. Just there. I'm sorry.
I think you need to sign in.
No, it's signed in.
Okay, click on domains.
Domains.
Click on the name Zephania.
My products.
Yes. Now in here, scroll down.
There we are.
Do you find do Control F and search for narrow landing software? Or scroll down actually. Scroll down until the end and show more.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Show more.
That's the only one. Oh, okay. You should have an option to load them all at once.
Hmm. Show more.
Well, here we are.
Yeah.
Do you want me to
Alright.
manage?
Yeah. No. Just keep this tab open
Mm-hmm.
and go to Heroku.
Hmm.
Heroku.com.
Let me just get another tab.
You can close the extra tabs.
Mm-hmm.
It's making your computer slow.
Do we not need the AWS buckets anymore? We don't, right?
No, we don't need.
And I'm guessing the Stripe too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Go inside of this thing. Narrow landing team.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, click on the production app.
On which one?
The narrow landing team app that is under
Okay.
production.
All right.
Okay, now go to resources.
Mm-hmm.
Click on more. And restart all dynos so that it restarts the server so that it can pick up the new database.
Okay.
And go to settings.
Mm-hmm.
Right, scroll down. And into domains, yes. Add domain. And click on the domain name. Just copy it from the previous tab. Next.
No endpoint. Next.
Yeah. DNS target. In the order has been applied, copy and paste to DNS target to complete it. Okay. Copy this DNS target, copy it, and go
Yep.
to the website and click on manage DNS.
Go to the over here. Okay.
Yeah. Manage. Click on DNS. Manage DNS.
1 second, I can't see.
Add new record.
Gotcha.
Choose an option. Wait. Go back to Heroku. What does it say? Oh, that. Okay, go back to what the DNS management.
All right.
The type should be CNAME. And the name should be www. Yeah, and the value would be the value that you copied from there.
Wait.
www and the value is there.
This one. Didn't copy. All right.
No.
Wait. Nope. And then TTL.
Save. Yeah,
Save?
it's fine.
Okay.
Remove the other www. No, you added a dot. Yeah.
Okay. Conflicts with another record.
Remove that. Scroll down. Remove this one.
This one. There was an error. Right.
Delete record. Refresh.
Oh, okay.
It got deleted.
Yeah.
Okay, now add the other record.
There it is. It says 1 hour. It was supposed to be 1.5, no? Or a half an hour.
It's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, it should be good now. Now go back to Heroku. Now we
Mhm.
need to migrate the new database that we did.
Okay.
Yeah, do the same, open the console that we opened last time
Over here. Or
in
are you
Heroku.
talking
In the Heroku.
in the okay. Where'd you open up the console?
Scroll up,
What?
scroll to the top, more,
Oh.
console, bash, Heroku run bash. Do make migrations, migrate it, create a super user, and collect static. Oh, no, you don't need to collect static.
Okay.
Okay, it's done.
Okay.
Now to create the super user.
Mhm.
Yeah, just set the password that I set earlier, admin and admin123.
Oh yeah. I forgot that it does that. Oh, this one doesn't do that. Anyways.
All right,
Alright.
now you need to go to basically the admin side.
Mhm. So that would be it would be Heroku dash admin.
No,
Like
no,
the
no.
no.
Click on open app.
Okay. Oh, okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay, and go to, there should be something like called domains to control F.
Call domains or what?
Domains.
Okay.
Yeah. Now in here, click on it.
On what?
Click on it. Click on add.
Okay.
Yeah. So user, yes. Click on user,
Mm-hmm.
and it should be the host user.
It's only just host. It's
No,
no
no.
results. Just
Search for admin. No.
no. It has no results.
Click on add a user. Oh yeah, you need to create a profile first.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. So I just give it a number.
Huh? Is that it?
Just fill out the things that are required and left.
I think that's it. That's
Okay.
good. Yeah. Domain
Domain
name.
name.
Just
Domain name is www. No, just nerulendingsoftware.com.
okay. Domain needed. It was the environment one, right?
Environment. No. I'm
This
not
one?
sure. Just add Nerulending software there
Yeah.
as well. And save.
All right.
Right. Now check nerulendingsoftware.com. Is the site up and running?
Can't be reached.
Hmm.
Could it be because of the name? I think it
No.
was. No.
It's go to Heroku.
Uh-huh.
And go to DNS management.
Mm-hmm.
Wait. Go back to Heroku
Mm-hmm.
and under domains, delete that domain or edit it
Mm-hmm.
and add www in front of it.
In front of
Delete
this one.
that name, yes. And the SSL certificate, click on
Second, it's not
click on
clicking.
SSL certificates.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It's not letting you edit it.
Nope.
Yeah, just remove the domain.
It was the environment one, or was it?
www.nerulandingsoftware.com. Copy the
Okay.
DNS target.
Mm-hmm. All right.
All right, now go to DNS management
Mm-hmm.
and edit the CNAME and remove the values. Yes. Paste that new value and do TTL to half hour.
Oh, sorry. Well, at least it failed. So.
Save it.
Yay!
So scroll down.
Mm-hmm. Wait, give it a second.
It should have
It's
a
right here.
section for forwarding. No.
Over here.
Delete this one.
Okay.
Okay. Refresh it.
Yeah. And forwarding.
Yes. HTTP, yes, and paste in the destination URL. So it would be the nerulandingsoftware.com,
Oh, the.
www.nerulandingsoftware.com.
Okay. All right.
Save it. Refresh it.
Mm-hmm. All right.
All right. Now check nerulandingsoftware.com.
Still can't be reached.
Yeah, give it like half an hour. Give me remote control.
All right.
So in here we have the concept of subdomains,
Mm-hmm.
right? So you need to then take the URL nerulandingsoftware.com and come in here, paste that in.
Mm-hmm.
So that choose an admin is admin, and then he can edit it, and then can select the app image, favicon, title, Nehru, lending software. Okay, and the type title is NLS Nehru lending software. Okay, address. You can change it. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and then basically it's customizable for every subdomain. That's why.
Mm-hmm.
So these are all the feeds that are available on the website, so that every host can, customize it according to his needs. There is paid. Uh, Okay, it's good now. Basically, the main field is main site, so that it should show as a main site. All right.
Gotcha.
Save it. Why is it .NET lending software?
Hmm.
www dot, remove this dot. Save.
Never mind.
Okay, so everything is set up.
Mhm.
Now it's up to this DNS when it decides to upgrade,
Okay.
and it should work. Okay,
So in like half an hour.
maybe, yeah, hopefully. Otherwise, we would
Hopefully.
have to sit again.
Okay.
Alright. Alrighty, see you.
All
Bye
right.
bye.
See ya. Bye.